Alright, back with another video, and today in this video I wanted to talk about a very interesting topic that was suggested to me by VidIQ. For the people who does not know, this platform over here is one of the official suggested platform from YouTube. So what I do daily is that I go through the daily ideas and see if I can make some video that is relevant to my knowledge or no. So this topic over here that I found out with the daily ideas was that ChatGPT crushes Leetcode interview questions in second, and the view prediction on this is high. So it is not very high, and I do not think so that a lot of people would be able to view this video, but hey, because I already made a video in the past that said if we are able to crack the Amazon STE interview under 2 minutes, and this thing over here, chat.openai.com was able to perform a very good solution in just under 2 minutes. So something is better than nothing. If you are stuck in an Amazon interview, you can use this software to solve the problem for you. So let us see, if this Leetcode is also something that chat.openai.com is able to crack or no. Let us go to chat.openai.com and log into our portal. So as you can see, I have already logged into this chat.openai.com, and let us log in to leetcode.com as well. So over here I have logged into this leetcode.com, and I can go to the problem section in here, and as you can see, it has various problems, and all those problems have different difficulty levels. So it could be a medium level, it could be easy level, and it could be a hard level, and we want to give the hardest level to this chat.openai.com. So ranking it from the hardest to the easiest ones. Let us go to this number one problem, that is median of 2 sorted arrays. So we need to sort 2 arrays, and we need to make out or create a medium out of those 2 sorted arrays, and this one over here, it looks to me a very difficult problem. So as you can see over here, it has given us the O-time complexity as well. Let us do one thing. Let us copy this entire question and go to chat.openai.com and ask it to write a solution for a Leetcode problem with JavaScript, and it should clear most of the test cases as well. And from here we can paste our problem and wait for chat.openai.com to perform the solution for us. So let us wait for some time and see what is the result. So now we have the solution on this chat.openai.com, and all we need to do is that we need to copy the solution and paste it under our leetcode.com, and let us click on this run option and see that if it has passed any number of cases or no. Okay, so it was able to complete this under 68 milliseconds, which is a very good thing, and the case number 1 and the case number 2, which was provided with this problem, are also completed. So it passes all the test cases that we had, and if we submit it, let us see how efficient our solution is in comparison to all the other solutions that are there. So the solution over here, it beats 73.81% of the solutions that are already available, and the runtime is 112 milliseconds. And hey, this is a very good solution that was provided to us by Leetcode. And now let us do one thing, let us solve another problem, and this time make sure that this problem over here is not the one that is on JavaScript. So let us say, if it is a C# problem, or it is a problem on C++. So let us go to our leetcode.com again and find out another problem. So going back, and let us see. Okay, permutation sequence. So this could be one of the questions that a lot of people love to do. So over here it says that the set is 1 2 3 and ... to n contains the total number of n unique permutations. By listing and labeling all of the permutations in order, we get the following sequence for n is equals to 3. So it has given an example, given n and k, return kth permutation sequence. All right, it has given some constraint as well, but no overtime complexity is provided in this question. So let us copy paste this thing and go to this chat.openai.com again and ask it a question. Write me a proper solution on C++. This is a Leetcode question and it needs to make sure that it passes the most number of test cases. Make sure that the solution is efficient. So pasting our problem in here, and let us wait for some more time, because now this thing over here, it has started to generate a solution, but it takes some time because, hey, you know, even this AI needs to think that what should be the proper solution available. And one more thing, a lot of time these solutions are not the correct ones, and I have gone into some issues where it was giving me some runtime issues and a lot of issues which I was not expecting, because I use ChatGPT in my daily life to create some programs for myself so that I can learn React and I can learn a few things from this chat.openai.com. So not every solution given by this thing is accurate, and I do not think so that this would be accurate as well. So let us see, copying this solution and selecting our language to be C++. So okay, just making sure everything is correct and click on this run button. All right, and let us see, you know, all right, okay, it was able to complete this thing just under 4 milliseconds. So case number 1, case number 2, and the case number 3. So all the 3 examples that were given in this question were completed by this solution that was provided by ChatGPT. So submitting this thing and see how good this solution is in comparison to the rest of the world. And you can see over here, this solution beats 53.16% of the solutions that are available online, and the runtime is just 4 milliseconds. So great job done. So that was all that I wanted to share about in this video. We wanted to know that if this software is able to solve the Leetcode problems or no. And yes, it is able to solve those Leetcode problems, and just keeping in mind that you need to ask it the right question, because a lot of time it can give you some errors and you need to know how to solve those errors on your own. So that was me, Anshul. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.